If you want to learn more about AI, blockchain, Spring Boot, and other technologies, don't forget to like, share, and follow 7MC Official. Thank you.
Do you want to master data analysis or machine learning? Many struggle with navigating the complexities of data science. This tutorial will help you understand key tools in data science. By the end of this video, you will be comfortable using Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn. Let's start with Python. Python is essential for data science. First, download Python from the official website. Next, use an IDE like Jupyter Notebook for best results. Practice writing simple code snippets to familiarize yourself with syntax. Now, let's move on to NumPy. NumPy is foundational for numeric analysis. After installing, import it using the command import numpy as np. Use its array feature for efficient data manipulation. You can perform complex mathematical operations with ease. Next, let's explore Pandas. Pandas simplifies data handling and analysis. Install it using pip. Once imported, create a data frame to organize data. This makes filtering and modifying datasets straightforward. Following Pandas, we have Matplotlib. This library helps visualize data. Install it using pip as well. Use plt.plot to create simple plots, making data insights clearer. Explore various plotting functions available in Matplotlib. Finally, let's tackle Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is invaluable for machine learning. Install it to access various algorithms. Choose from classification, regression, and clustering options. Train your model with ease using Scikit-learn's structured methods. To summarize, mastering these tools is essential in data science. Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn enhance your capabilities. Practice regularly to solidify your learning. Now, apply your new knowledge to real-world projects. Experiment with datasets available online. Happy coding!